Let's talk about vowels. En français, les voyelles. More specifically, vowel placement. Very simply, a vowel is a sound you make when you vibrate your vocal cords through a completely open vocal tract. That means the mouth and throat are open, not obstructed or constricted in any way. A, E, I, O, U, these are vowel sounds. P, T, G, F, Z, Ch, these are not vowel sounds because they're constricted by some part of the mouth or throat, and we call them consonant sounds. More on consonant sounds in another video. Okay, let's go a little deeper. Although all vowel sounds are open, they are pronounced or placed in different parts of the mouth depending on the language. Broadly speaking, English placement is in the back of the mouth, whereas French is in the front of the mouth. So, to speak French correctly, you have to really utilize the front part of your mouth. Sounds simple enough, right? But how do you do it? Let's break it down. Take, for example, the English vowel O. Repeat after me. L-M-N-O-P. And now say L-M-N-O-O-O. Good. Now for the French placement. We're going to say the same letters, except we'll move them as far forward in the mouth as we can. Repeat after me. L-M-N-O-P. Now, L-M-N-O-O-O. For me, it almost feels like the vowels are resonating between my eyes and my forehead area. So if it feels a little funny here, that's good. That means you're doing it right. All right, let's try it again. In English, L-M-N-O-P, L-M-N-O-O-O. En français, L-M-N-O-P, L-M-N-O-O-O. Excellent. Another aspect of vowel placement is how we engage our lips when we speak. In English, since the vowel sounds are coming from the center and the back of the mouth, you don't really have to move your lips very much when you say, for example, I'd like a cup of coffee, please. But in French, the vowels resonate at the outer extremes of the mouth, and you must totally engage your lips and tongue when you speak. Par exemple, Je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. Try it. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. Je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. Je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. Feel the difference? English is so far in the back of the mouth that you can actually keep your front teeth closed when you speak and still sound pretty normal. I'd like a cup of coffee, please. But in French, forget about it. This is practically impossible in French, since the vowels are placed so far forward and the lips must be engaged. Je voudrais un café, s'il vous plaît. See what I mean? Impossible. Lastly, another great way to practice this forward mouth placement is just to speak English like a French person would. Very far forward in the mouth and with the lips so engaged. Nice work. That's all for vowel placement. In our next video in the series, we'll delve a little deeper into the world of French vowels. And we'll show you how to keep practicing and improving your pronunciation, even if you haven't mastered the infamous U or E. Salut!